Hey, welcome back to Tune the Keys. I'm teaching you all of the songs on the Dangerous album, Michael Jackson. Next one up is this one, which is In the Closet. The song's in B minor. Here's a B minor 7. But I'm actually going to start it on the 5th. So I'm going to move it down and play F sharp, A, D, B, D, like that. And we actually need the C sharp too, which is like the 9, or the second note. B minor, and it plays. So I'm actually playing like F sharp minor, really, so that I get that melody note in there. You could even play F sharp, A and B and C sharp, 4 notes. And down here, and then you got to try and sing the verse with it, you see, which is the tricky part. You're just a lover who's doing me bad. It's worth the giving, it's worth the try. You cannot leave it, you put it first. Wait, what is it? Or put it in the furnace? You cannot leave it, or put it in the furnace. You cannot wet it, you cannot burn it. She wants to give it, she wants to give it. And we're into the next part of the song, which goes from B minor 7 to F sharp, dominant 7, F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, E. And on listening to the song, she wants to get it, she wants to get it. It sounds mostly like major, but it's one of those ambiguous chords where there isn't really a strong major third sound. So minor 7 actually works too. And I'll demonstrate that now. She wants to get it, she wants to get it. See, that works too, the minor 7. She wants to get it. But for the purposes of this, I'll stick to what it says on Google and I'll trust it. And we'll say it sounds slightly better as well to play the major third and the dominant 7 on F sharp. She wants to get it, she wants to get it, she wants to get it, And that goes around 4 times for that bridge. And we go back to the verse. It's just a feeling, you have to soothe it. I'm just playing B's in the bass, by the way, the root note. Offbeat pattern like this. Like that. You can neglect it, you just abuse it. It's just desire, you cannot waste it. Then if you want it, then you won't taste it. She wants to get it, she wants to get it, she wants to get it, she wants to give it. I'm singing get, but it's actually give. She wants to get it, she wants to give it, she wants to get it, she wants to give it. And then we've got a new section, 4 times around that part again, the bridge, same chords, and then go to G major. One thing in life you must understand. It's G major, back to the F sharp, dominant 7 again, and the B minor 7 again. One thing in life you must understand. The truth of lust, woman to man. And then we have this melody that comes in. On a synth part, really cool sound, like a spacey synth. Da 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 na na na, ba 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 na na, which sort of ends that section. But let's go around it once. One thing in life you must understand. The truth of lust, woman to man. So open the door and you will see there are no secrets. Now this chord here is, there are no secrets, C sharp, diminished 7, or flat 5 I should say. You can call it either or. And you can play it there, G, B, C sharp, E, or move it up. You can play it there, and that's root position there. Starting with the root, C sharp, E, G, B, minor 7, flat 5. Or you could call it, well anyway, it's minor 7, flat 5. There are no secrets, make your move, set me free, to F#7 again. That finishes off that part of the song. And we go, because there's something about you, baby, that makes me want to give it to you, because there's something. And that's actually G major again, F#7, and back to B minor, so kind of the same. And this one you can actually play major 7, because there's something about you, baby. B minor, G major 7, that makes me want to give it to you. I swear there's something about you, baby. You could play minor 9 as well on the B minor, which sounds nice. The 7, the 9, the 3 and the 5. Just instead of the B, you have a C sharp, which sounds good too. Swear there's something about you, baby. And he goes, just promise me, whatever we say or whatever we do to each other, for now, we'll vow to just keep it in the closet. And that was the minor 7 flat 5 again on the C sharp, and then F#7 again with a stop. Keep it in the closet. We go back to that groove on the minor 7 on B minor. It's like the 9 to the 3. That's the melody. And we go back to the verse on that groove. If you can get it, it's worth a try. I really want it, I can't deny it. It's just desire, I really love it. 'Cause if it's aching, you have to work it. She wants to get it, she wants to get it. She wants to, again I'm singing get, but it should be give. She wants to give it, she wants to give it. That goes around 4 times, and we got this part again. Just open the door and you will see. G major, the passion burns, F#7 inside of me, B minor 7. Don't say to me, you'll never tell. There are no, touch me there, make the move, cast a spell. Because there's something about you, baby, that makes me want to give it to you. I swear there's something about you, baby, that promise me whatever we say and whatever we do to each other. For now we'll just make a vow to keep it in the closet. Goes back to the groove a bit, and then we go back to the chorus. Because there's something about you, baby. And that goes round and round. It makes me want to give it to you. Swear there's something about. Goes round and round. Just promise me whatever we say, whatever we do. For now, we'll vow to just keep it in the closet. And back to the groove to fade out. And that's the whole song for Keep It in the Closet. Next one up is She Drives Me Wild. She's driving me wild. She's got the look, she's on fire. Great song as well. Gotta find the melody first and the chords. Learn it myself before I learn it to you. Learn it to you, I mean teach it to you. Hope you enjoyed this one. And if you did, click like and subscribe. And I shall see you in the next one. Check out the Roland FP-30X in the description and the pinned comment if you need to get yourself a piano. This is a pretty good one. I've had it a few years, I like it. And hopefully you will too. And those affiliate links do support the channel. And thanks, and see you next time.